Welcome back. In the last few lectures, we introduced the idea of simple linear regression. However, most phenomena in the real world don't just have one variable influencing it. In particular, most have more than one variable influencing it. Thus, we aim to create a model that takes in multiple features as inputs. Remember that the equation for simple linear regression was y equals theta 0 plus theta 1 x1, as shown here. But because we want to have more than one input features, we have to change the equation for multiple linear regression. In particular, changing it and making it so linear changes our equation to y equals theta 0 plus theta 1 x1 plus theta 2 x2, so on and so forth. And this is sometimes also written as such, and this is just the same equation written with the summation or the sigma notation. And after we change our equation, everything is the same for multiple linear regression as it is with simple linear regression. That is, the equations for the cost function and gradient descent stay exactly the same. This means that we now know how to perform multiple linear regression. One thing to know, however, is that when performing gradient descent, you want to perform everything simultaneously for all values of theta 0, theta 1, theta 2 up until theta n. And that's it for this lecture. The main thing to understand from this is that multiple linear regression is the exact same as simple linear regression, except that the equation for multiple linear regression has more terms to account for, because it has additional features that we have to account for. And if you still aren't comfortable with the idea of linear regression, that's completely fine. In a week or so, we'll actually solve a problem with regression, and seeing it being implemented in practice will greatly enhance your understanding. Now, most phenomena aren't actually modeled very well with a linear function. And to combat that, we'll introduce polynomial regression, where we'll aim to fit a polynomial model to the data. See you in the next video where we'll discuss polynomial regression. Thank you.